Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the Sony WF-1000XM4. So these are their premium range earbuds. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and then see how good the microphone sound is going to be. So let's go ahead and start with the test. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet off. So you're not wearing a helmet, and the background sound will be a lot. There'll be a lot of wind sound. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough, and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on, but with the visor open. In this scenario, wind should not be that much of a problem because the mic is inside here. Hopefully my sound is audible now and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on, with the visor closed. In this scenario, my echo might be a problem. The background sound may not be that much, wind sound may not be that much, but echo is what causes a lot of disturbance. Hopefully my sound is audible enough. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're near water, a lot of water sound. So I am outside season small again. So there are 70 water fountains here from top to bottom. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the water sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am outside season smaller and I'm Nora mode again. So a lot of traffic. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we are in the food court now, so I'm doing the people count test. So a lot of people around me. So here you will get different kinds of sounds. So you will have people sound like big people, children, everything. You will have sounds from the machines, from all the shops. You'll have sounds coming from the speaker. There's some music going on and some match going on. So all of that. So mixed sounds. So hopefully, within all of that, you are able to hear my sound clearly and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now, the entire sound in this video has been from the earbud itself. So everything is from here. So you would have noticed that most of the sound it's able to drown. So it's not going to completely remove the sound. It's not one of those earphones where people won't come to know where you are. People will know that you are in traffic or you are in a food court or you're doing something, whatever. The background sound is gonna come, but it's not too much. So for 20,000 rupees, I did expect a little more, like little more stronger noise cancellation, but the noise cancellation on these are not focused mainly on calling. It's more for you. So this has got the best noise cancelling that you can get in a small form factor. Now their bigger one, the big headsets are known to be the best. So this is the same one in a different form factor. So this is small, it goes in your ear. The only problem is it is a little big, so it's not going to fit a lot of people's ears. It comes with memory foam ear tips. So those are good. So I actually have to use the smallest size. The medium size does not fit me. So there are things that we'll be talking about in the full review. So microphone sound wise, according to me, this was above average. It was not excellent, but it was not bad either. If you see the comparison, the other earphones, this was okay. So I'm okay with it. So if you're looking for something to take phone calls, especially in a helmet scenario, this is good. Inside the helmet, my voice was good. The echo in the closed helmet scenario, there was a little bit of echo, but not too much. The only problem I think was the food court scenario where there was too much of mixed sound around me. At that time, when it's trying to cancel out most of that mixed sound, that's when your sound goes a little bit bad. Other than that, I'm okay with it. So, and if you need any further queries to be answered, you can contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it. for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.